Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Pipedrive account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you find your Pipedrive referral code? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to find your Pipedrive referral code anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that Pipedrive sometimes runs promotions that if someone signs up using their company email address for a Pipedrive account and they become a paid customer, they get a special bonus, and so do you. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Pipedrive account. Also, if you're looking for a Pipedrive referral code for yourself, check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral code there, but I've already logged into my Pipedrive and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and get your Pipedrive referral code, you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop-down menu here, and there's actually two different ways you can find your Pipedrive referral code. The first and easiest one is click right here on referral program. It looks like a gift box. Okay, so here you're going to see the current promotion. So you can see that if someone signs up using my Pipedrive referral code, they get an extended 30-day trial. And then also I would get a $100 reward. So this could change from time to time. Now, in order to get your Pipedrive referral code, you're going to click on copy link. Once you do that, it's copied to your clipboard. So you can easily paste it into a Facebook post, to your Twitter feed, or however you normally share your referral codes. If you don't see the referral program here, you can easily just click on company settings. It's a gear icon. Once you do that, you'll see this gray menu here to the left. And then same thing, you want to click on referral program. It looks like a gift box and it brings you back here to the same page. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to find your Pipedrive referral code, that's the easiest way I know how to find it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.